हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। आई होप कि आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे और आप सभी ने जो पिछला चैप्टर वो अच्छे से कंप्लीट कर लिया होगा। सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज सो द न्यू चैप्टर इज चैप्टर नंबर 9 एंड द चैप्टर नेम इज कंपैरिजंस। Study the following sentence carefully. Prabhakar is stronger than his brother. Rupali is more intelligent than Garima. Stronger, more intelligent are comparative form. ये क्या है, हमारी comparative form है. Comparatives are formed by adding more. Comparative form होता है या तो हम er ऐड करते हैं या फिर more ऐड करते हैं. Okay. विथ शॉर्ट वर्ड्स वी यूज ER. हम शॉर्ट वर्ड जिनका वन सिलेबल होता है उनके साथ हम ER ऐड करते हैं. विथ कंपैरेटिवली लॉन्ग वर्ड्स वी यूज मोर. जिनका दो या दो से ज्यादा सिलेबल्स के होते हैं उनके साथ हम मोर यूज करते हैं. इन केस ऑफ, यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट केस आएगा, केयर नहीं. इन केस ऑफ सम वर्ड्स वी हैव टू रिमेंबर द कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म. किसी वर्ड में हमें कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म याद रखना पड़ता है. ठीक है, जैसे कि ब्राइट है तो ब्राइटर हो जाएगा, ER लग जाएगा इसमें. ऐसे ब्यूटीफुल है, ब्यूटीफुल मोर सिलेबल का है तो इसमें मोर ब्यूटीफुल आएगा. ओके. बैड, वर्स, much, many, more. Okay. Deep, deeper. Difficult, more difficult. Little, less. Far, further. Next thing, we use comparative to form two things. We may mention both the things or we may mention one and the other may be understood. After comparative we often use then. Comparative के बाद हम then का use करते ही करते. तो आप देखते हो कि comparative sentences में आपको then दिखेगा ही दिखेगा. जैसे कि could you speak a bit louder? Could you run a bit faster? You can run faster than me. You can speak more loudly than I earn. Now next one, these words can be used before comparisons. ये जो word है ये comparison से पहले हम use कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि a bit, a little, slightly, a little, much, a lot. जैसे कि for example, it a much cheaper to travel by Tanu than by car. Next one, staying at a 5-star hotel a lot more expensive than staying at a tourist resort. Next one, I'm tired. Could you walk a little? I'm tired. Could you walk a little bit or slightly more slowly? Next thing, the comparative can also be used in the following sentences. अब comparative इन sentences में भी use कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि the more I sleep, the lazier I feel. The farther I walk, the farther you walk, the sooner you get tired. अब यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो द कंपैरेटिव, फिर उसके बाद आप सेंटेंस लिखोगे, फिर देन द कंपैरेटिव. अब आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो इसका रूल, द कंपैरेटिव, फिर आप सेंटेंस लिखोगे, देन द कंपैरेटिव. वी यूज द with two comparatives when one thing is directly related to the other. जब एक चीज जो है दूसरे से रिलेटेड होती है. The faster you write, the more mistakes you make. Okay. Then, as, dash, as. Now look at these three women, Mrs. Sharma, Mrs. Khanna, Mrs. Chaudhary. So here you can see Mrs. Sharma, Mrs. Khanna and Mrs. Chaudhary are all beautiful women. Mrs. Sharma is more beautiful than Mrs. Khanna, but Mrs. Sharma is not as beautiful as Mrs. Chaudhary, or Mrs. Chaudhary is more beautiful than Mrs. Sharma. The last two sentences mean the same. दोनों का मतलब सेम है. We can use either of them. हम इनमें से कोई सा भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Next thing, next one, Shyam is richer than Ram. Ram is not or so rich as Shyam. Next thing, then slash as me, then slash as I am. She is prettier than me and not than I. She is pretty as me and not as I. She is prettier than I am. She is as pretty as I am. Okay. Next thing, after then or as, it is more informal and also more usual in modern English to say me slash us slash him slash her slash them slash then slash I, we, he, she, they when there is no verb. Now the next thing is, students, superlative. Study the following sentences carefully. The sun is the hottest star. Akshay is the most active boy in the class. Next one, hottest, most active are superlative form. ये क्या है? Superlative form है. We use superlative, यहाँ पर student use आएगा. We use superlative form when we have to compare more than two things. जब एक से ज्यादा या दो से ज्यादा चीजों को जब हम compare कर रहे हो, we normally form superlative adding EST और by using most. या तो हम EST ज्वाइन करेंगे या most ज्वाइन करेंगे. EST is added to short words यानी कि जिनका syllable 1 होता है, and most is added with longer word यानी कि जिनका syllable 2 से ज्यादा होता है. In case of some words, we have to remember the superlative form. किसी किसी में हमें remember रखना पड़ेगा, याद रखना पड़ेगा superlative form. जैसे कि आप यहाँ देख सकते हो, high का superlative highest हो गया, est लगा दिया. difficult का most difficult, happy happiest, good best, bright brightest, active most active, busy busiest, bad worst. Now before moving further, there is a note. It is normal to use the before superlative. ये normal है कि हम the का use करें before superlative. जैसे कि for example, the brightest star, the most beautiful girl. Okay, now here you can see the first point over here. After superlative we use in with places and of with period of time. In हम places के साथ और of हम period of time के लिए use करते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे कि आपको example भी दे रखा है. Lakshmi Mittal is the richest person in the town. Okay, next one, yesterday was the coldest day of the year. Next one, today is the worst day of my life. Next one, Madhya Pradesh is the biggest state in India. Now the next point, sometimes we can use most to mean very. Sometimes हम most का use करते हैं to mean very. जैसे कि the magazine you gave me was most interesting. That means very interesting. Thank you for all this courtesy. It was most graceful for you. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो most मतलब very graceful. Okay, next one, in such sentences we don't use the before superlative. In sentences में हम the का use नहीं करते before superlatives. Okay, now next thing, in other words, study the following examples carefully. First one, setting examples is more difficult than following examples. Following example is not as difficult as setting examples. Okay, next one, no one I know is as beautiful as Madhuri. Madhuri is more beautiful than any other girl I know. Next one, Madhuri is the most beautiful girl I know. Next thing, Next one, Dr. Devdutt is one of the best doctors in our city. Dr. Devdutt is better than most doctors in our city. Next one, very few doctors in our city are as good as Dr. Devdutt. I hope student that you understood this chapter. और आपका homework है कि आपको इसके following exercise part को complete करना है. Now I'm gonna meet you in another class. Till then, students, bye bye.